Previously in the Grilosodes, we rode some POW.
After the European and the US Open, we went to Bulgaria. We had a progression camp there with all the best Bulgarian riders. I was really looking forward to help and inspire the kids that might not come from Vale or Lax, and for them all that matters is just to shred and have fun. So the first day I got there, I just wanted to have a little talk with the boys.
What was it? Front seven? Sick.
It was really cool to see how excited and motivated they were. Some of them wanted to improve the tricks that they do in their contests, and a lot of them really wanted to learn new tricks. And it's really awesome to see that kind of attitude in the riders. We all know that the current level of snowboarding is really high, and if you want to be at the top of the game, you really need to give it all you got. Every pro is ripping hard and is throwing down at contests at any given day, which makes it really hard for the young guns to get noticed. There's no room for small mistakes. People are stomping hard, going big and technical, and it's really hard to keep up with them. It's so cool to see the Bulgarian kids that are far from the whole circus, but are really motivated to get there.
In the airbag I will try some doubles.
I wanted the kids to progress and learn new tricks, but snowboarding is all about fun, and if you get too serious in your training, you're missing the whole point. So I wanted them to see how awesome it is when you just go and shred it up with your homies. After 3 days of riding, I was so impressed of how much they progressed and how stoked they were. You know, like I've been everywhere in the world and I've seen snowboarding of any kind, anywhere. I know people as well, and I think you guys really have it good here.
You spend your time like with each and every one of them. You paid attention to their mistakes and to their styles. Like people with different levels, different backgrounds, and like you managed to touch every one of them. Like thank you for being here.
It is really awesome to see how Red Bull does this kind of projects, just giving young kids a chance to shred it up, knowing that they might be the ones who are going to rip the pipe in the next years, or even become a real pro snowboarder, have a chance to travel, have fun, and just have the best time of your life. Nothing going on today, so we just read him.
Next time on the Grilosodes.
It's a secret.